as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Carla, and in this video we will be undecorating my house. I went ahead and took down all the Easter decor, and then I cleaned up. I'm only cleaning the living room, our dining area, and our kitchen because my husband and I are remodeling the kids' bathroom, and that whole back hallway over by their bedrooms is a mess with paint, tools, just anything you can think of. Everything is out of that bathroom. We took down the doors. You will see 2 doors in the kitchen area because I went ahead and painted those. Like I said, this house was painted with builder grade colors. As you can see, my living area is like that beige sand color, and then the trim is not white. It's kind of like a off-white creamy looking color. So we are doing a lot in that bathroom, and it's funny because that bathroom is super small, but we ended up doing a lot in there. So that is a video that's coming out soon, hopefully. But in this video, like I said, just taking down all the Easter decor, cleaning up a little bit. The kids have been home, as everyone knows, and it is just sometimes very hard to get things done with kids in the house. But at this point of the morning, they were all doing their schoolwork. So one was in the bedroom, one was in the craft room. So I had the living and kitchen and dining area all to myself to go ahead and clean up here.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So for me, it has been really hard to kind of decorate just because I love going to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and those places are closed. So I am kind of decorating with what I have at home already. I kind of shopped my home, I guess. And I did have only, I think, 2 items that were brand new. They were on the mantle. I got those from Hobby Lobby weeks before this whole shutdown, and I was waiting for after Easter to go ahead and decorate with those items. But I mainly shopped around the house and kind of rearranged a few things, so I cannot wait until Home Goods and TJ Maxx opens again so I can go shopping.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
As you can see, step ladders, bins, and doors. Ignore all that. All I wanted to make sure that was clean was the living area, the dining area, and the kitchen. Those are the main areas that get messy, especially with the kids coming in and out, eating, leaving things out, and things like that. So those 3 areas are the ones that I wanted to make sure was clean. The rest was clean, it was just in the way. Like you can see the door right here on the right hand side. We took them out of the kids' bathroom because I am painting those. We're remodeling that bathroom, so you might see a bin here, a step ladder here, but I did not care about that. As long as just these 3 main areas were clean, I was okay with it.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I don't know about y'all, but I run my dishwasher at least the minimum 2 times a day, but typically 3. Now that the kids are home, I have so many dirty dishes. It's ridiculous. It's crazy how it accumulates because we run the dishwasher in the morning after breakfast, and then by dinner time, they're complaining because they have to unload it again. So they're unloading the dishwasher twice, and we tell them, well, you guys keep eating, so dirty dishes means more dishes for y'all to put up.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Alright guys, so here you're going to see my husband FaceTiming me. He was showing me something that he wanted to buy, and it was a jet ski. And I was completely against it, but at the end we ended up buying it, as you saw at the beginning of the video. But I did have to pause throughout this cleaning, and I know that it doesn't look like it because obviously you can edit, but I had to stop for a minute because I honestly did not want him to purchase that, but he's been wanting one since last year, so I said, why not? And this is him actually calling me again. I think he was telling me at this point that we are going to meet the man later in the evening time to go and pick it up.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody.
Alright guys, and here is a little mini grocery haul. I had gone to Publix in between me cleaning and then us going to meet this man to pick up the jet ski, but we ended up picking up a shrimp. It was on sale for $5.99, so we got 2 pounds of that. I ended up getting some stuffed clams and stuffed scallops. My husband doesn't care for those, but I really love it, and Publix always has it. Well, not always. Sometimes they're on sale for like $1 each, so I got that. 2 rotisserie chickens, some eggs, some mayo. And those eggs right there, you guys, my husband made a big deal because they cost $5, and he was going crazy telling me, why am I paying $5 for eggs? But I wanted to go ahead and get the pasteurized eggs just because those are better. Also, that mayo that you saw there from Primal Kitchen, that is pretty expensive. It's about $8.99, but it's a healthier, cleaner mayo. My husband doesn't like it. He still likes his Hellmann's, which is completely fine, but I wanted to go ahead and get something a bit healthier. And here is the chicken salad that I'm making. All I'm doing is just shredding the chicken that I got, and we got 2 rotisserie chickens. I cut up some onions, some avocado, and squeezed some lemon. Now, the reason you don't see this is because this is the time my husband got back home and we were discussing this whole jet ski situation, so I am sorry that I don't have the whole entire cooking on this video. And here are the stuffed mushrooms. All I did was mix some cream cheese, some cheese, garlic powder, bacon bits, and some ranch dressing seasoning. And that is it. You mix it up and you stuff your mushrooms and your peppers and you put it in the oven and bake it for about 20 minutes. And you guys, this is so good. Alright guys, and that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.